Hello, everybody, and welcome back to Hot Ticket, your source for what's happening in Hampton Roads. I'm Kevin Hornsby for Cox 11, here to tell you about an exciting event for students throughout Hampton Roads brought to you by Junior Achievement. And with me today to talk about that is Jim Miller, the Stock Market Committee Chair, and Kevin Will, President of Junior Achievement. Thank you for being here.
Thanks so much for having us.
Jim, I'm going to start with you. Let's talk about this exciting event, a stock market event.
Yes, this is the 9th annual Stock Market Challenge hosted by Junior Achievement here in Hampton Roads. And we'll bring in 400 plus students from about 20 area high schools.
Okay.
From here on the south side all the way up to Smithfield and out to York. And what we do is we simulate a couple of months worth of sessions of stock market trading.
Okay.
And the kids have had weeks of training in their classrooms for this. They learn about the stock market, and then they get out and have this, go through the simulation, and there are a lot of competitive juices start flowing, and there is an eventual winner based on their overall returns. And it's been a great success. It's grown over the years, and we're very, very happy about it.
You said up to 400 students, so,
Yes.
and 9th annual, so obviously it's been growing. What is the hope of what it does for the kids?
Well, it gets an awareness of the greater capital markets and how they work. And, you know, financial literacy is a big push today. In fact, I think the state is actually mandating that students come out with a certain level of understanding of how the financial markets work. And this is just a part of our efforts in Junior Achievement to do that.
Yeah. And Kevin, let's talk about Junior Achievement a little bit, what the organization is and how you're able to provide this for the students.
Sure, Junior Achievement, we've been around since 1919, locally since 1966, and we have curriculum anywhere from kindergarten through 12th grade. We work with schools throughout Hampton Roads that request our programs. And more importantly, we have over 375 community business volunteers that we train on these programs. They go into the classrooms. And the thing that I love about it is they're interactive. They're either game-based or activity-based. And the volunteer component is so very important that they go in there and are not only playing these games, but they share their real world experiences with the kids, and you can't really put a price tag on that. It's just a lot of fun, and it's a great way for kids to learn about our 3 pillars, which are entrepreneurship, financial literacy, and work readiness.
Well, in this day and age, financial literacy has got to be imperative, but talk a little bit about from the time the kids start, the 3 weeks of prep, more or less, to when it really comes together at the challenge.
Well, they come in kind of cold and learn about the ins and outs of how capital is formed and how you can generate returns in the stock market. And they literally can purchase research during this simulation, and it's up to them to decode it and make sure that they're understanding it and apply it during the simulation. But you know, it's just overall a part of how the market works, and a touch of realism there that they greatly benefit from.
Where's the event going to be this year?
The Waterside Marriott in Norfolk.
Okay, and when?
November 18th, and there was a morning session for the kids, and actually there's an evening session for adults too.
Okay, and so November 18th, Norfolk Marriott, and Kevin, I want to come back to you to talk a little bit about how Junior Achievement is able to bring this, because we have extracurricular or different electives for kids being cut because of budgets. So the fact that you're able to provide this to Hampton Roads schools is amazing.
Yeah, just like funding. This event is sponsored by Bank of America, and I think it's important. Not only 400 kids are going to be able to come to the actual Waterside to participate in the events, but over 1,000 kids will get volunteers and the Take Stock in Your Future lesson prior to the event. So it'll impact over 1,000 kids this year. So sponsorships from companies like that, sponsorships from the adult event, it's more of a casino night. So adults come and they sponsor student teams, but also have the fun component of competing in the evening for the Stock Market Challenge champion. We also have other special events that are supported in the area. One being on March 20th, we own the rights to the Hampton Roads Business Hall of Fame, where it's a black tie dinner, And we
Where
and-
my leader,
Yes,
Cox of
last
Virginia,
year we
was
were lucky
inducted.
enough to have Gary McCullum in that class.
Well, guys, we're out of time, but I want to thank you so much for not only bringing this event to the students, but bringing the information to our viewers. Thank you so much for being here.
Pleasure.
And we encourage you to get involved with junior achievement. Visit the website, jahamptonroads.com. We hope to see you at the Stock Market Challenge or the adult event, the casino night that evening at the Norfolk Marriott. For Cox 11, I'm Kevin Hornsby.